If I had to guess, your phone is probably either in your hand right now or within an arm's reach. With things like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, it's hard for us to stay away from social media and technology in today's society, and it's probably controlling our lives whether we realize it or not. If you have an iPhone, I'd like you to go to Settings and then Battery, and at the very bottom you'll see Usage. This will show you your total amount of usage since your last full charge. I know, crazy, right? To begin with, society is blinded by technology and its effect on us. We are so consumed with staying updated, trying to maintain relationships, and also escaping our problems through the use of technology, and this creates a major disconnect. Yes, we have a lot available at our fingertips, and it acts as a sort of comfort zone for people in situations that may cause anxiety, but it's becoming a terrible habit, whether it's conscious or unconscious. Technology as a whole is disturbing our presence in reality, but even more precisely through the use of cell phones. And it can even affect parts of our daily living, such as sleep quality. An article in The Australian pointed out an important term, FOGO, which stands for the fear of being offline, and we can see where many individuals can easily relate to this struggle. There is a constant battle between feeling safety and a sense of reliance associated with technology, and along with the realization that it's a major cause of distraction of life. A poll found that approximately 81% of individuals keep their phone with them constantly, while 63%. A poll found that approximately 81% of individuals keep their phone with them constantly throughout the day, while 63% keep their phones with them while sleeping. Furthermore, a study from the Journal of the Behavioral Addictions reports that 60% of college students admit to being addicted to their cell phones. Females spend significantly more time daily on their cell phones at around 600 minutes, as opposed to 458.5 minutes daily seen in males. It is estimated that approximately 7 hours per day, college students use information and communication technology, with the most common activity being texting. Forbes published an interesting story of a 24-year-old who unplugged from technology for 40 days. Forbes published an interesting story of a 24-year-old who unplugged from technology for 90 days by disconnecting his cell phone service and also deactivating his social media accounts. After the 90-day period, he created a YouTube video in which he explained his experience and laid out all of the benefits that he experienced. Even though he was able to disconnect himself from the technology world, everyone around him was still connected, so this served as sort of an issue. Therefore, he benefited in several ways, but in order for the unplugging to reach its full potential of benefits, we would need to take more of a societal approach. Therefore, he benefited in several ways, but in order for the unplugging to reach its full Therefore, he benefited in several ways, but in order for the unplugging to reach its full potential of benefits, we would need to take more of a societal approach. Some of the benefits he experienced included more free time, he was more calm and at peace, and he had an increased ability to positively interact with his significant other, as well as overall he felt less pressure from society. One of the statements that really stuck out to me that he said was, "I had relationships with people, not profile pages." According to sleep.org, almost all technology and According to sleep.org, almost all technology emits a sort of blue light which interrupts the melatonin production, and this is According to sleep.org, almost all technology emits a sort of blue light which can disrupt the melatonin production, and this is responsible for regulating the circadian rhythm and can delay the onset of sleep. It is pretty common in today's world that many people watch TV or are on their cell phones before bed, when there should really be around a 30-minute window to an hour in which technology should be put aside before sleep in order to It is pretty common for individuals today to either watch TV or just be on their cell phones before going to sleep, when there should really be a window of around 30 minutes to an hour before bed where technology should be totally put away. Also, when just having a Also, when having technology nearby when going to sleep, the constant alerts throughout the late night or early morning can also disrupt sleep and be harmful to your health. Approximately 72% of children ages 6 through 17 have at least one method of technology nearby when sleeping, and this disturbs their overall sleep quality. Constant technology can be a terrible cause of exhaustion, wavering relationships, and it can also slow productivity. Just like our bodies and muscles, our minds need time to relax as well. Whether this would mean completely shutting off our cell phones for a couple hours a day, or just staying away from it and putting it away for a while to focus on what's in front of us, will help. Allowing this sort of quiet time, or even time to go outside and allowing this sort of quiet time, or even more time to go out and be active and physical, will serve